Hi everyone, today I thought I'd show you all the bits and pieces that I have brought from Crafty Bear. So this is the box I've got. There's a few other bits and pieces that I've already used, but this is most of my order. It was roughly £42. There's also 2 clays and 2 other embellishments, but I got this super thick ribbon. It's almost like material, as you can see. It's like sewn / glued shut, but it's like really quite thick, so I thought I'd try that. So obviously, you know me, I like new materials and things like that. You can see here I've opened a lot of things because I wanted to see all the different bits that I've got. So I've got this pretty, you see I've got 3 different colours of this laced edge ribbon in like the 1 inch, so I've got those. I got these little snap clip covers. Now I would show you these, but I haven't got the correct snap clip on my desk, but they have got the slot to pop them in, and I thought they were cute because, like I said, they're the open ones rather than the closed ones, which I find are more common at this moment in time. So I got them in all different colours. I got the multicolour, the pink, the blue, the light blue and purple. So I got 2 of each so I could do some sets. You can see here where I popped all the centres out ready to sort that out. I got these little fluffy pink hearts and white and red because I thought I'd get ready for sort of Halloween / not Halloween, Valentine's Day. That's what I was thinking, Valentine's Day. And I got some matching like red gingham hearts as well, and some red gingham stars, padded stars there. Okay, so I got all of them. I got these 2 cute little pencil embellishments. These cute glittery polar bears, thinking Christmas time. These cute little sand hat teddy bears. This adorable little set of penguins. Okay, I brought these bears for a project I'm working on. So I got all of these, look. And I've got some more bears. These are like little sand bears holding, and I got reindeer bears there. These 2 cute little star embellishments, and then I got this set of fabric which is like shiny, like super shiny. Can you see that? I thought it'd be really nice for like Christmas time. So that's all that I got from Crafty Bear, and I've now got to find even more space to put all my new embellishments away. So thanks for watching. Bye.